This is Pre-Calculus Onramps, Practice Test 4B, question, I believe it's 16, let me double check it. Question 16, and this is using sum and difference formulas, sine of 19 pi over 2. Well, I'm going to try to make it a sum, and I'm going to see if I can get pi over 4. I'm just guessing an angle. Pi over 4 plus something, x equals 19 pi over 12. And x equals 19 pi over 12 minus pi over 4. So I have to multiply both top and bottom by 3. So 3 pi over 12, which is 16 pi over 12. 19 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12, 16 pi over 12. I need a little bit of extra room. I have a mark on my computer there. You probably can't see it. I'll divide by 4. So this is 4 pi over 3. Yeah, that works. That's on the unit circle. That is 4 pi over 3 is in the third quadrant. It's just pi over 3 in the third quadrant. So I just need to know the sign. Both sine and cosine will be negative in the third quadrant, and it's the same value except with a negative sign as the sine and cosine of pi over 3. So this is the sine of pi over 4 plus 4 pi over 3. And if you know your sum and difference formulas, you should, by the time you take this test, it's a non-calculator test, it's going to be sine of the first one times cosine of the second one plus cosine of the first one times sine of the second one. And I will show you that. Let me find the formula here. Sum and difference formulas. Sine alpha plus beta, or a plus b, equals sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. All right, so now sine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. You have to know the unit circle, times cosine 4 pi of 3. Again, it's in the third quadrant, so it's negative. And it's the same as cosine of pi over 3, which is 1/2. Plus cosine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2, times sine of 4 pi over 3, which again, it's in the third quadrant, negative. So that's negative square root of 3 over 2. Same value with a negative sign as the sine of pi over 3. So I've got negative square root of 2 over 4 minus square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6 over 4. And I can rewrite that as negative square root of 2 minus square root of 6 over 4. And that is right there.